Oh yeah, yeah. You can hear them. Look here. Show you where to catch where those birds work over at where's that site?
FishWestBay.com.
FishWestBay.com. Here we go. Down here at the getting spot. Joe, ain't that? Look, we're right by the red crab trap too.
There's a red crab trap right over there.
I'm told you it's true. Look, oh, it sure is red crab trap.
Sunset Ridge.
Sunset Ridge by marker 89. Now, what are those seagulls? That's hardheads that make them seagulls do that, Joe?
That's some big trout, Bubba.
Big trout. You ought to see them bust in the water, dude. And here I am running the camera. But you know why we're doing this? It's to show you fellow members at FishWestBay.com what working birds look like, all right? Check this out. Ain't this pretty? All right, y'all, finna drift up on this school, so I need to put the camera down. Remember, for more videos and fishing tips like this, go to FishWestBay.com, and we'll hook you up. Later, y'all.